Hi friends, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today will be a great day because today you will learn how can you improve your communication skill to your biggest level, because this is very crucial thing as per job is concerned, as per life is concerned, as per the future aspect of your goal is concerned. Everything requires a good communication because you need to talk to your future foreign clients as well, because it may be required in your job that you may have to go to on-site opportunity you may get where you have to talk with somebody who is onshore team. Then how will you communicate with them? How can you get a fluency in your words so that you can convey your message, you can convey what is there in your mind to the other person? So that is very crucial and very important to understand. So how can you create that thing? How can you be so fluent in English? Believe me, I was very introvert before. Okay, before just 3 to 4 years back, I was very much introvert. I was not able to speak properly in English. Okay, although my board was ICSE board, but still I was facing a lot of problems in delivering some message in English to other person. And I see that some of my friends were speaking very fluently in English. I was feeling like how they are speaking so well. When I was looking at the TEDx speakers, when I'm looking at Sandeep Maheshwari or somebody who is speaking very much fluently, I just look at them and gets mesmerized. Means how is it possible? How they are speaking so beautifully, and why I'm not able to speak so well like them? Can I learn those things? Can I be speak? Can I speak like them within 1 week or 2 weeks? I was just thinking like that. But suddenly, when I went through few books, when I went through tutorials, when I just went through some of the videos which has taught me how can you speak English fluently, then I got to know something secret which I am going to tell you in this video. Okay, the secret is nothing but you have to practice, because there is no shortcut to practice. You can't say that within one night you will learn everything. It's not like that. There is a process. This is a long term process. So how can you create those things? How can you make opportunities come in your way? How can you grab those opportunities for yourself? So for doing that, few steps I will tell you. If you just follow those few steps, believe me, your English will become better. You will become fluent in English and your communication will be at very next level. And you will not be able to recognize yourself, because just 2 months, 3 months afterwards, you will see yourself a newer version. That is very much important, which I am going to tell you right now. First and foremost thing which you will do is create a list, create a goal. Okay, why you want to learn English? Because if you are questioning yourself, that is the beginning of intelligence. If you will not question yourself why you want to do that, there will be no motivation to learn those things. So you should be very much clear why you want to learn English. Is it really required for you? If yes, then why are you not learning? Okay, the first of all, you have to write it down why you want to learn English. Write it down on a piece of paper or in diary, anything which is good for you. Write it down why you want to learn. Maybe you have to clear any competitive exam. Maybe you have to sit in an interview, job interviews. Maybe you have to prepare for GRE, GMAT, TOEFL. So for that, English is very much important. Okay, so keeping that goal in mind, now if you start preparing, then you have to make some short-term and long-term goals. What are the short-term and long-term goals for yourself? The short-term goal will be within 1 month, where will I be heading towards? Within 1 month, what will I be learning? What steps should I take from today so that after 1 month I will improve myself at least by 20%? What should I do? What steps should I take now so that I can have a better fluency in next 1 year or 1 month or few months? You should plan accordingly. Okay, and create few questions for yourself. Take a diary, write 10 questions for yourself. What 10 questions you can write for yourself, friends? What are the questions that you will jot it down on a piece of paper so that you can just answer them and your speaking skills will increase slowly. What you will do? Just write few questions. What type of questions you may write? What are the things I am good at? Okay, what are your goals? What are my goals? Just write it down. What you want to achieve 5 years from now? Write this question and write your answers. Okay, what will I be doing if I become the Prime Minister of India? If I become the Prime Minister of India, what will I be doing for our nation? Write these questions and simply take your time and write the answers for that. And then what you do, after writing questions, after writing your answers, rehearse it. This is the secret which I am telling you. Whatever answers you have written it down, just rehearse it. when you are alone, or when you are having bunch of people, those who are speaking good English, just give them, and then tell them to ask these questions to me, and I will answer them in my own words. Whatever I have written, I will keep those points and I will answer those. Okay, then you will see slowly, initially you will feel like you will feel hesitating, you will feel very worried, you will feel like you are very tensed, you are very nervous, you are not able to deliver properly. But slowly if you keep on practicing daily, you do daily, pick up 2 questions for yourself and answer that. Slowly you will see that you will improve, because these words are not coming just in an instant of time. It takes time to memorize, because the meaning and the implementation is very important, friends. Okay, just if you go through the words, it's not enough. Okay, you have to implement it in your own sentences. How can you do that? You have to rehearse it. Okay, you have to have a group of friends, those who are having good communication skills. You may be having few people surrounding you, those who are having good English speaking skills, you may be having, right? Then why are you not talking to them? Why are you feeling that what they will think if I'm not able to speak good English? Don't think like that, because if you think like that, you are only deteriorating yourself. If you want to uplift yourself to the next level, the one thing which you can do, the first thing which you can implement it right now is try to have a bunch of 5 to 6 people, those who are having good speaking skills, good English speaking skills than you. Just talk with them, whatever may be coming into your mind, maybe with respect to what their goals are, what are they planning for their future, what are their career goals, what are their achievements, what are they willing to do in their future. These all questions, just write it down on piece of paper, just ask them. Okay, and listen to them, what they are telling, how they are speaking in English. Just tell them that I want to speak in English, we want to learn English, so I want to know how to have a proper English conversation, so I will ask questions in English to you, just answer them in English. Okay, if you follow these simple steps, you will see that your English will slowly improve. And the next most important thing which I'm going to tell you is watch English movies. Okay, because this English movies has a lot of fluency, they will speak in so fluently now, then you will feel like if they can speak, I also can speak. Then you will start doing, you will start speaking. Okay, by listening to them, by hearing them, because whatever we do, we listen to somebody, then we do, right? So just listen to them, whatever English movies are there, how they are speaking, just observe them and try to rehearse it. Okay, try to copy those, don't exactly copy, try to copy few things which they are doing so fluently they are speaking. You also try to speak fluently. Initially you will face problems, but slowly you will see how fluently you are becoming in a due course of time. Second thing is read books. 96% of the people don't do these things. Reading books is very important, friends. If you don't read books, two things you are missing. First, good vocabulary with good English fluency. The words will not come, then how will you speak? If words are not there, then how will you convey your message to the other person? And the second thing which you are missing is their career goals, whatever they have achieved till now. They have all made a crux, that author of the book has made a crux of all those achievements which he or she has made in their life, and they have put it down on that, in that book. If you don't read their books, then how will you understand what type of difficulties they have faced, and how can you overcome the difficulties which they have faced? Okay, so try to follow these steps. Slowly you will see that your English speaking skills will improve. Okay, and there are certain other apps also which you can implement. Okay, the other apps which you can use is Cambly. Cambly is a very good app. There you can see a lot of people who want to speak English, who want to teach English. Those tutors will be there available. You can just click on them. I want to learn from this tutor, just click on it, and they will start having a conversation with you, and then practice it there. Okay, you can practice by 3 ways, either by watch movies or reading English books, or you can have a bunch of 4 to 5 people, those who are having good communication skills, good English speaking skills. Talk with them, then slowly your speaking skills will also be improved. And third, you make use of apps. For example, this Cambly app. Through that app you will have a lot of tutors which will be there. You can just pick any of the tutors and then start having a conversation. Okay, just follow these simple steps and you will see a magic coming in your way, because nothing can change in overnight. Nothing can change even in 1 week. It takes minimum 1 to 2 months. If you just have a patience and practice. Don't lose patience, friends, because something which you want to make change in your life, you are going out of your comfort zone to make some changes. It requires a lot of efforts, friends. Believe me, it takes a lot of efforts to come out of your comfort zone and do something different for yourself. So have patience, believe in yourself that you can speak good fluent English. If I can do, you also can do, believe me. So this is the first step. So write it down on a piece of paper, some questions, try to rehearse it, try to talk to yourself, because Swami Vivekananda told, if you are not speaking to yourself at least 10 minutes a day, you are not speaking to the most intelligent and wise person in this world. Okay, so always try to talk to yourself at least 5 to 10 minutes in a day. You will see, slowly your mind and your words will be in sync. And when this mind and words are getting synchronized, you don't have to think much in your native and convert into English. People are doing most of their mistakes like that only. What they are doing, they are just thinking in their native, maybe Hindi, Marathi, Bengali. They are thinking in their native language and they are converting it into English. Don't do like that, friends. Don't do that mistake. It will take a lot of time and efforts it will take for you to learn. Think in English, speak in English. Think in English, speak in English. Just follow these tactics and you will see that magic will happen in your life. So believe me, implement yourself, believe in yourself, and have a confidence in yourself that you can do it, and surely you will beat yourself and you will see a better version of yourself 1 month from now. Write goals and implement it. Thank you, friends. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please like and subscribe my channel so that I can get motivation to make this type of video again and again. Thank you, friends. Cheers.